3.8. There's a linear relationship between the number of chirps made by the striped ground cricket and the air temperature. A least squares fit of some data collected by a biologist gives the model predicted y equals 25.2 plus 3.3x, where x is the number of chirps per minute and y hat is the estimated temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. What's the predicted increase in temperature for an increase of 5 chirps per minute? Okay, so we're trying to find the increase in temperature, which is the y variable, for some sort of increase in the chirps per minute. That's the x variable, right? So that statement is about the increase or the change in y versus the change in x. Well, you might recognize that as the slope. Okay, slope is change of y to change of x. Okay, so we know the slope because the equation is given here, right? It's 3.3. Okay, let's write it as a ratio, 3.3 over 1. Okay, so this means that for every one additional chirp, right, or when the number of chirps changes by 1, the temperature will change by 3.3 degrees. Okay, well, the question wasn't asking about the chirps changing by 1, but actually the chirps changing by 5. Okay, so then if we multiply, or if we just set up a proportion, right? So 3.3 to 1 is equivalent to what to 5, right? And so we can just cross multiply to solve this. 3.3 times 5 is 16.5. Okay, so these are equivalent ratios. So when the number of chirps increases by 5, then the temperature will increase by 16.5 degrees. And that would be choice B.